coast breeze whispers soft on my face. Like a promise I can't quite trace. The trees hum low, they sway, dance. The world unfolds in a summer trance. Close my eyes, the sunlight calls. Feel it rise, the shadows fall. Summer blues, summer dreams. Golden skies, endless dreams. Take me where the wild winds sing. Oh, summer dreams, summer dreams. Barefoot trails in the sandy gold. Every step a story untold. Salt in the air, the horizon glows. The season blooms and the freedom shows. Close my eyes, the sunlight calls.